Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am currently sitting in my bathroom because I'm about to do some organizing. It's actually supposed to be my wash day, but I've been putting this off for a while, so I need to go ahead and get it over with. So here are the baskets that I got from Target. Drawers and under my sink are pretty messy. This is what under my cabinets look like. I have all my baskets here, and I'm just gonna start separating all of my items from like skincare and hair care and anything else that I have. As I'm emptying out my cabinet, I'm just putting anything that I'll be throwing away off to the side because I do have a lot of products and a lot of them I do not use. So I want to declutter a lot of this stuff. I've taken everything out of my cabinet. I actually cleaned out and threw away a lot of products before moving into my apartment, so this isn't bad compared to what it used to be. Now that everything is out, I need to organize it based on shampoos, conditioners, then my styling products, then I'll have skincare, body care, and like my medicines and health thing. So this is after my 4th Target run. I kept needing more baskets, and then I realized that I should get a shelf so I can stack everything. Shelf won't fit into the cabinet, so I'm gonna have to take it apart again. I'm just moving the baskets around until I like where they are placed and it makes sense to me. I just did not like that these two baskets didn't match, so I sat there and thought about it for a while, and then I just ended up changing it to black because that was just irking my nerves. I don't know why. Now I'm just organizing my drawers. This is where I mainly keep my hair tools, accessories, my nail products, makeup, Q-tips, those sorts of things, you know. And I ended up putting my blow dryer and wand curl behind the shelf in my bathroom sink. So after about 4 Target runs and several hours later, I'm finally done. I feel like I still need more bins, but this is definitely a great start. I don't have any storage for this, so I just left it alone. But I did organize my makeup. I have my makeup bag in the back, and then the products that I use the most are the ones that I put into these bins. That way I'm not always digging through my bag. It just makes everything a lot easier. And then for the bottom drawer, this is like all of my hairbrushes. I added my perm rod sets in their own little bin, and then these are my combs and brushes. I had to add in some ponytail holders and accessories that I haven't opened yet. And then back here is like my shower cap and my headbands, butterfly clips, ponytail holders, and bobby pins. And then have my scalp massager. So this is how I've organized my cabinet under my sink. Everything on the left and a few things to the right are all hair products. So at the bottom, I have my shampoos, conditioners, and deep conditioner treatments. And then up top, I have some styling products and my oils. You see, ooh. And then this bottom right basket, I just have some more hair products. And over here is like my body care, skincare, and these are like my health stuff, like vitamins, medications, etc. So that is pretty much it for today's video. I have many more parts around my house that could use some organizing. So if you like these types of videos and would like to see more, just leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and also remember that your support helps me out so much more than you know, especially as a smaller and new channel. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, I will leave it right here for you, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.